today I'm going to do an acai bowl, and I got these packets from, let's see if it zooms in, from Costco, and it tells you the instructions on how to actually make it. So it says I already put it in a bowl of warm water to defrost it because you freeze them, and it says add 1/4 cup of water to the liquid. So I'm gonna actually pour this out, and it says 2 packs to 1/4 cup of liquid. And it defrosted like way faster than I wanted to, so I think tomorrow when I do it, I'm just gonna leave the bowl out. And it says to put 1/2 of a banana, 1/4 cup of water or coconut milk or any type of juice that you want, and then like your favorite fruit, which to me is strawberries. And I wanted to have a little bit of frozenness to it, so that's why I put the strawberries in there. And then I'm gonna blend it up and come back and show you guys what it looks like. So actually I'm gonna add some chia seeds. Where did I put it? No, I'll wait. Okay, now I'm going to take it after it's blended up and pour it into the bowl. And it has a thickness to it, so I'm just going to pour that out. And then I use the Quaker Simply granola oats. It's oats, honey, raisins, and almonds. No artificial flavors, no added colors. Good food source of fiber. And I'm going to put a scoop of that on the top. 2 scoops, because I actually like the crunch that comes from this. And I'm just going to take a banana and let that focus. I'm going to cut up the other half of the banana into slices on the top. And I had actually had one of these bowls at this juicing place in Charlotte, and it was so good. I was like, I gotta get some of that. So when I seen that they sold it at Costco, I was so excited. They can be pricey when you buy them from the restaurants or from the juice bars. So this is it. Put a spoon in there and I'm gonna eat it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe below, hit that like, share, and comment below if you've ever tried the acai bowls, and comment below any other smoothie ideas you have. All right, later.